In this video, I am going to show you how to pay contactless with Curve. So you can make contactless payments with Curve by using your physical Curve card or by adding your Curve card to a supported digital wallet such as Apple Pay, Google Wallet, Samsung Wallet, and for security, your face payments with a new physical card may need to be completed using a chip slash pin or and a pin before contactless is enabled. But before making a payment, make sure to activate your Curve card if it's new. Ensure contactless payments are enabled in your application if you have it, or tell it to your bank if it's your first time. And if it's your first physical card purchase, you may need to complete one chip and PIN transaction first. So that's if you're going to use the physical card. If you want, you can add the Curve to your mobile wallet. If you prefer to pay with your phone, open your Curve app as example, select your Curve card, tap on the option to add it to your supported mobile wallet, or you can just see the details of the card. Then you can go and add it to either Google Pay, Apple Pay, Samsung Wallet, whatever wallet that you have. If you don't want to do that, you can always use your physical Curve card without adding it to a wallet if you want to. And of course, once you reach the checkout, you can ask the cashier to start the payment and lock your phone and start using the mobile wallet or have your physical Curve card ready. Hold your phone or card near basically the contactless symbol on the payment terminal. Wait for the confirmation beep or check mark, and you should be good to go. After the payment, you can open the Curve app, confirm that the transaction appears in your activity, and if you enable notification, you'll receive a payment alert. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.